Hello everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy Empower the Youth. Today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting course, that is clinical nutrition. Under this, we are going to understand what do you understand by clinical nutrition, are clinical nutritionists a doctor, and what is the difference between nutrition and clinical nutrition, what is the purpose of clinical nutrition, and basically who all can join clinical nutrition, what is the scope of this course. So all these things we will going to cover in this. Let's see what is clinical nutrition. So, clinical nutrition is a vast, dynamic, diverse field which encompasses pathogenesis of deficiency diseases, etiology, prevalence, clinical signs and symptoms, clinical manifestation, and nutrients involved in the management of disease. Clinical nutrition is gaining pace today as mounting scientific evidence regarding the key role of nutrients in the and prevent of diseases being put forth. Undernutrition and overnutrition in the form of obesity and chronic degenerative diseases seems to be prevalent in the society, posing dual burden in management of health and nutritional status of populations. Both undernutrition and overnutrition are strongly associated with faulty and unhealthy eating habits. Thus, clinical nutrition involves application of research based evidence to aid in the care of individuals at risk for diet related diseases. So, what is basically a clinical nutrition is? This is very important कि इस कोर्स से हमें क्या चीज़ की knowledge provide होगी. If in simple language if I say, so this clinical nutrition programs aims to provide scientific understanding about nutrition and strategies for improving patient care. So it covers clinical nutrition topic and help the students in learning how the diet impact the health of individual. Now see actually what is clinical nutrition is. Clinical nutrition specialists keep current on the latest advances in nutrition science and translate them into an easy, digestible message to help people or even entire population get healthier. They help prevent and treat chronic diseases such as obesity, heart diseases and diabetes in a variety of settings from healthcare clinics and schools to at-home consultations. For example, many personal trainers market themselves as nutritionists because they give client diet advice. Now comes clinical nutrition in nursing. This course introduces nursing students to nutritious principle and its role in proper growth, development and maintenance of health across the lifespan. It will also introduce the concept related to nutritional assessment and the application of medical nutrition therapy process. So, in this course, if I talk about clinical nutrition in nursing, so what this course is introducing, course is introducing the nursing student to nutrition principle, and their role is in proper growth, development and maintenance of health across the lifespan. How to become a clinical nutritionist? A master's in clinical nutrition or a doctoral degree in clinical nutrition prepares students to pursue certification. Often graduates move on to become a certified nutrition specialist or CNS or registered dietitian nutrition or RDN. Proper training and credentials set students up to work in a variety of careers such as in a federal or state agencies, public health or wellness settings, private industry, research or academic settings. By the end of the course, the students will be able to acquire a basic understanding of various clinical changes to relate to nutrition, which are seen in different diseases, both deficiency and otherwise, to understand the etiology, prevalence, clinical signs and symptoms of nutritional deficiency diseases, that is vitamin A deficiency, anemia, ADD, PEM, etc. To gain understanding of physiology in health and pathology in diseases. Complications occurring in various conditions and their interrelationship therein. Reason to pursue a career in clinical nutrition. So what are the reasons that you have to keep to pursue a career in clinical nutrition? The first reason is strong job growth. The Bureau of Labor and Statistics estimate a 15% job growth for nutrition dietitian from 2016 to 2026, which easily outspaces most and other occupations. Demand is increasing as baby boomerang age and healthcare providers become more aware of the importance of nutrition in preventing and treating diseases. Second, help patients. Clinical nutrition specialists provide individual counseling and develop meal plan that can change lives and helps patients who are dealing with diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases or obesity related cancer. Public health. Public health nutritionists work in a community setting such as government or school, providing nutrition assessment for large population and developing intervention to change policy and improve nutrition. Nutritionists often work as faculty in universities and colleges where they teach and perform research. Embarrass your interest in food. And the last one is embarrass your interest in food. People are paying more attention to what they are eating, where their food comes from, and how food helps a crucial role in health. A career in nutrition allows people to turn their curiosity into a career that can help others. So, this is all about the course, but basically, generally, you have some questions in the mind. Generally, we have talked about what is clinical nutrition, right? What is the clinical nutrition course is means what is the purpose of clinical nutrition? Many of you have this question in mind कि what is the purpose of clinical nutrition? So simple है कि it clinical nutrition, they help patient. You can say clinical nutrition specialists provide individual counseling and develop meal plan that can change lives and help patients who are dealing with diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease and obesity related cancer, right? What they are doing, they are treating, they are helping people to change their life. For example, if you have a diabetes, if you are a diabetic person, or if you have a high cholesterol, right? So you go to your doctors, they advise certain nutrition or dietitian that can make a meal plan for you. मीन्स उस मील प्लान में या डाइट चार्ट में वो वही फूड आइटम्स को प्लेस करते हैं दैट इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, दैट कैन नॉट कॉज एनी danger to your life, because there are many food that are not advisable to have when you are having this diabetes. They ask not to have a sugary product. They ask not to have a high carbohydrate diet. So on the basis of that, what they do, they make a diet chart in which you get a balanced diet to sustain your life, as well as with other diseases also. So what they are doing, they are just helping you to make your life a better, okay, in which you can get everything. Then comes कि what do you learn into a nutrition. अगर आप न्यूट्रिशन बन गए तो क्या क्या आप लर्न करोगे. So if for example you can learn about how to prevent diseases based on diet. अगर आप अच्छी डाइट लोगे तो obviously you can fight with diseases, or you can avoid diseases, तो or you can prevent disease based, right. So first is to prevent disease based on diet, cooking healthy, eating healthy, a physiological behind picking the right food, knowing what nutrition and how much more your body wants. So up nowadays people are becoming very practical, they are becoming very very enthusiastic, means of what they are eating, the amount of energy that they are getting with food, isn't it. If you are seeing nowadays people are very choosy when it comes to food. They choose those kind of food that are healthy, right, rather than they are not munching on the food that are very tasty or something. They are choosing the food items or food that are very healthy, right. So this is all about the course. This course is very important, as well as it is very interesting, because as far as you are learning something, you are also helping a patient to make their life a wonderful, right. So students, please go through this course, and thank you. And please follow ITLS Academy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Please subscribe our channel, that is ITLS Academy, or you can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Our helpline number is 7080 Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.